Today's topic is how to solve the plot style problem during printing. For example, type Ctrl+P. In page setup, select previous plot. In the plot style table, you can see that all styles are in STB format. Let's select monochrome. After clicking, the plot style assignment option will appear. Click Yes. Click on Window. Select the print area. Click on Preview. Here, you can see the print preview is displayed in color format. To solve this problem, press Escape. Again press Escape. Type the command CONVERTPSTYLES. After clicking, a warning message will appear. Click OK. Again, type Ctrl+P. Select previous plot. Click on the plot style table. Here, you can see that all formats have changed to CTB format. Select monochrome. After clicking, the plot style assignment confirmation will appear. Click Yes. Click on Window. Select the print area. Click on Preview. Here, you can see the print preview is displayed in black and white format. And that is how the plot style problem is solved. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.